If the app's shortcut icon is missing in Google Chrome, don't worry. This is a common issue that many users notice after Chrome updates, browser resets, or profile changes. The app's shortcut normally appears on the bookmarks bar and gives quick access to Chrome apps and shortcuts. In some cases, the icon may simply be hidden, disabled, or removed from Chrome settings. The good news is that fixing it is usually very simple. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix the missing apps shortcut icon in Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, look below the address bar and check whether your bookmarks bar is visible. The app's shortcut only appears when the bookmarks bar is enabled. If you cannot see the bookmarks bar, press Ctrl-Shift-B on Windows or Command-Shift-B on Mac. This keyboard shortcut instantly shows or hides the bookmarks bar. After enabling the bookmarks bar, check the far left side of the bar to see whether the app's shortcut has appeared. If it is still missing, we need to adjust Chrome's settings manually. Now type Chrome://flags into the address bar and press Enter. This opens Chrome's experimental settings page. At the top of the page, use the search box and type Apps Shortcut. Depending on your Chrome version, you may see options related to the app's shortcut or bookmarks bar settings. If you find a setting related to showing the app's shortcut, make sure it is enabled or set to default. After making changes, click the Relaunch button at the bottom of the screen so Chrome can restart with the updated settings. Once Chrome opens again, check the bookmarks bar one more time. In many cases, the app's shortcut icon should now appear correctly. If the icon is still missing, there's another method you can try. Right-click directly on the bookmarks bar. A small menu will appear. Look for an option called Show Apps Shortcut. If you see it, click it to enable the app's icon again. This is one of the easiest fixes and works for many users immediately. Another important thing to know is that newer Chrome versions sometimes reduce support for older Chrome apps. In certain cases, Google may remove or limit app-related shortcuts depending on the browser version you are using. If you mainly want quick website shortcuts, you can still create them manually. To create a website shortcut, open any website you use often. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to More Tools, and select Create Shortcut. This allows you to place website shortcuts directly on your desktop or apps menu for faster access. You should also make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. Click the three dots, go to Help, and then click on About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. After updating, restart Chrome and check the bookmarks bar again. If nothing works, try resetting Chrome settings. Open Settings, search for Reset, and click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. This can fix hidden interface problems caused by incorrect settings or broken extensions. Your bookmarks and saved passwords will not be deleted. So that's the easiest way to fix the missing apps shortcut icon in Google Chrome in 2026. The main solutions are enabling the bookmarks bar, turning on the app's shortcut setting, checking Chrome flags, updating Chrome, and resetting settings if needed. Most users can solve the issue in just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.